Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's been serviced by Howard's, and the car features DAB digital radio, there's Bluetooth connectivity, air conditioning, a speed limiter, and it's done 12,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.